Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to unlock Facebook account, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to unlock Facebook account. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open Google from your mobile phone. Here you have to search Facebook feedback. Now you have to scroll down and choose your feedback about homepage. Under subject, you have to write my account has been logged. Enter the email under your email address. You have to write your problem under your feedback. For example, I am going to write my Facebook account has been logged. Please help me for this and click on send button. After this, your issue will be resolved. This is the easy and simple way to unlock your Facebook account. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.